Section 3, Unit 3, Hand Tools. Introduction. Hand tools necessary to machining, setting up machine tools, performing repairs, and assembling components. Screwdrivers, grip heads of screws to loosen and tighten, Phillips, straight, offset, and Torx. Pliers, holding and cutting tasks, slip joint, needle nose, locking, tongue and groove, slide cutting, and side cutting, and diagonal cutters. You got hammers, tap items into alignment, stamp objects, drive pins, and punch hole locations. You got a ball peen hammer. Ball peen hammers can be used for both light and heavy striking depending on size. You got a dead blow hammer. The head of the dead blow hammer contains sand or shot to prevent from rebounding. You got soft face hammers, protect surfaces, nylon, rawhide, soft metals, lead, copper, brass. Wrenches, tighten and loosen threaded bolts and nuts. Some double-ended wrenches. The combination wrench on top is a double-ended wrench with both a box and an open end on the same size. Adjustable wrenches come in different sizes and can be used when specified size is not available. When using an adjustable wrench, rotate it with the adjustable jaw in the direction of rotation. Apply force in the direction indicated. Socket wrenches are available in 6-point and 12-point styles. Solid and ratcheting socket handles and some socket wrench accessories used to reach fasteners in difficult to reach locations. Wrenches, solid and adjustable hook spanner wrenches are A. B is solid and adjustable pin spanner wrenches. C is solid and adjustable face spanner wrenches. And D is pin spanner and face spanner wrenches in use. You got hex key wrenches are available in fold-up sets, L-shaped type, and T-handle types. Some have ball ends to allow reaching and turning fasteners from an angle. You got a bench vise, holds work securely. A swivel base bench vise is on the left and a fixed base is on the right. Smooth vise jaws are area for lighter clamping, while serrated jaws will bite into a workpiece and clamp work very securely. Soft caps such as copper set can be placed on a vise jaw to reduce the chance of damage to parts when clamping. Clamps grip parts, C-clamp, parallel clamp, hinge clamp. From left to right, A is C-clamp, parallel clamp, and hinge clamp. Hex saws, portable hand saws, main parts. You got the frame, the handle, and the blade. TPI, threads per inch, teeth per inch, and then kerf. And there on top you got a hand hacksaw, and on the bottom is a wavy set hacksaw blade, provides clearance for the blade during sawing. Some hacksaw frames allow blades to be mounted at 90 degrees, increments for sawing narrow strips. The proper way to hold a hacksaw: hold the hacksaw level and apply pressure only on the forward stroke. Files for shaping, smoothing, fitting, and deburring. Classified by length, shape of cross section, cut or tooth type, and coarseness. The basic parts to a file is the tang, the heel, the face, the edge, and the point in the length. Shapes of common file cross sections. So you got flat. Files are paralleled in thickness and may be parallel along the width or tapered near the point. Pillar. These files are parallel along the width and tapered for thicker to thinner from heel to point. Mill. Files are parallel along the thickness and tapered near point. Knife files are tapered across the width and tapered near the point of the thicker edge. Square files are the same size in width and thickness and tapered near the point. Round files have cylindrical cross section and are tapered near the point. Half round files have one flat side and one radius side and are tapered near the point. And 3 square files have 3 equal flat sides and are tapered near the point. From left to right, you got a wrapped smooth, a curved tooth, a double cut, and a single cut file. File selection. For fast removal, longer, coarser double cut, and for producing smoother surfaces, you want a shorter, smoother single cut. Here you got some die maker or jeweler files. Come in many special shapes for intricate filing tasks. A safe edge on a file can prevent cutting into adjacent surfaces when filing. To mount a file with an unthreaded handle, place the tang in the handle and tap the end of the handle against a wooden workbench. Hold the handle, not the file. Method for performing straight filing. Hold the file firmly and move across the worked surface in the direction of the file's length. Apply pressure on the forward stroke and lift the file on the return stroke. Method for performing draw filing. Hold the file lightly and move in the direction of the file's width. Move a single cut file in the direction of the teeth face. A double cut file will cut moving both directions because the two sets of teeth point in opposite directions. The soft bristle and wire bristle sides of a file card on A, and clean files often during use by moving the bristles parallel with the angle of the teeth to remove filings. Deburring. Remove sharp raised edges, critical task in machining, and some examples of tools used for deburring. Wear away material to produce a smooth surface or remove burrs, and abrasive grains glued to cloth or paper backing or bonded into stones. Cloth and paper abrasives are available in sheets and rolls of different sizes and grits. Examples of abrasive stones used for deburring and polishing. And you got presses, used to assemble and disassemble mating parts with interference fits. Auger press uses mechanical levers to create force. Hydraulic press uses a hydraulic pump to move a cylinder to create a force. So you got your lever arm and the ram. There's some more pictures, and that's a hydraulic press there.